That's a whole direction when the amateur minister and conforming and so as here. But a young woman who said, I give you a young a brainy, a brain now, and the enemy I made them call for. The son said, may I said, and a man, I want down and any investment for now, any and then that 2 years, 3 years. But they met supernatural things in the and come. But here in the case that I have been directed by the spirits to do this direction for you people. So I think you people have to embrace this direction. And you are due for beer. Or due for beer, you due for the best thing I started with my church members. But I was someone you are due for in a many years. No one knew myself for me, no one. So you do a new for this and you're yesterday and you're ready here. It is a yes and more on that when you are due for one black one. Young more was said. You have the coffee from 31st time and the area. If you know nothing was answers, no, you're going to answers. Then some council members are more on kinds of place. And who are you for this? You see, when it comes to spirituality, it doesn't have any form. So who are found my work? Who couldn't be here? It is a number who and one to say to me and Fernari and yes, and Mugabe. What made ya? Don't call yourself a prophet. Prophet, and will be and don't shut the master what you will be here. So I wouldn't be able to me yet. What do you have? Which I remember that here always are, but you call yourself a God or a prophet.
Amen.
Amen.